Welcome students. Our next topic is again projectile motion. It enters by or it thrown by theta angle. Projectile motion. So as you previously know that when any body thrown with initial velocity u, this velocity u, by maintaining theta angle, are you getting point? Then it will go to height and back to what? Earth. This here velocity become Vx, Vy final velocity. Here Vx and your Vy, you better know Vy is equal to what? 0, because it in top, initial velocity becomes 0. Again this velocity is Vx and Vy, and resultant velocity is V, and this angle is what? Theta, and it will hit the earth. That range is capital R. Are you getting the point? Body is thrown by u velocity, then u resolve in two component. U, so it is base, so it become u cos theta. This is base component. U sin theta, u cos theta and u sin theta. It will go on height, and this is maximum height. We have to find out maximum height. This is h maximum height, where v become 0, yeah, Vy become y component become 0, because body is start returning to earth and it will hit the earth. So its journey start from O, top point is P, and it is hitting the earth at Q. Okay, and this distance is called range, that is called h maximum, and the total time taken to go up and come down, that is called flying time. So many things we have to find out. Okay, so are you getting the point? Once again, any body is thrown by u velocity, have an angle theta, then it resolves two component, u cos theta and u sin theta. This is also known as u v naught x. U cos theta is known as v naught x. V naught means initial velocity u, x means cos theta. Similarly, it could be in NCERT it is given v naught y. V naught x and v naught y is equal to u sin theta. It will go on top where y component becomes 0, and when it come down, so no doubt Vx and Vy resultant velocity is what? V, hit the point Q, where this range is called capital R. So many things we have to do. So first point for you, have to show that it is a parabolic, first point. So first divide into two component, formula is S is equal to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square. So in x component, x is equal to what value of u? You can see there. X component u is given u cos theta. U cos theta into time t plus 1 upon 2 at square. You better know x component g is 0. So gt square, g becomes 0. So what make it here? Time is equal to x upon u cos theta. Equation number first. You got na? 1 upon 2 gt square 0, because in x component g is 0. In y component g will work. Okay. Second, when it become in y component, what happened? It become y is equal to u. What is u in y component? U sin theta into t. T is given, not plus minus, body is going up, minus 1 upon 2 gt square. See there in y component we are assuming g t square. What about t? Y is equal to u sin theta into t, x upon u cos theta. This is value of t, minus 1 upon 2 z t square, x square upon u square cos square theta. U cancel out, sin theta upon cos theta, tan theta. Y is equal to tan theta into x minus 1 upon 2 gx square upon u square cos square theta. Okay, put tan theta as a, and this is constant 1 upon 2 gu cos theta. Only x is changing here, you can say, and this become what? B. So what we get here answer? Y is equal to ax minus bx square. This is the formula parabola. Hence this projectile motion will be parabolic. So you have to find two component. S is equal to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square. It resolve two component. In x component, in y component, we will put the value from second into first. The value of t, x upon u cos theta minus 1 upon 2 g t square. x square upon u square cos square theta, sine upon cos tan theta, and you better know tan theta is constant, so it kept as a, and 1 upon 2 g u cos theta is again constant, it become b. We will get formula y is equal to ax minus bx square, and this is formula parabola, hence we can say their projectile motion is parabolic. So this is first point for you. Second point, flying time, time of flight, very very important. Flying time, formula v is equal to u plus at. So what value of v is equal to 0, what value of u? You see there, flying time up, it is a u sine theta minus at, it become what? Gt. So time is equal to u sine theta upon g. So what a total time? This is the time for go up and same time will come down. You better know, as much time it will take to go up, same time it will take to return. It means total time period t is equal to 2t. Are you getting the point? Total flying time is equal to total time taken to go top and become in bottom. So it become 2t. So t is equal to 2 and t is given u sine theta upon g. This is the formula of flying time. Okay, when any question asks, find out the flying time, you have the formula t is equal to 2u sine theta upon g. Okay, next, height. We will apply formula v square is equal to u square plus 2as. By that formula we can get the height. So what we get here, v is 0 is equal to what, a u square. You better know, u is given, all time you have to take u sine theta. U square sine square theta, not plus, minus 2gh. Height is h, we have taken h. So what we get here, h is equal to u square sine square theta upon 2g. This is the height formula. If I ask what a maximum height, if theta is equal to 90 degree, theta 90, sine 91, you will get h, not h, but h maximum is equal to u square upon 2g. This is called maximum height. You better know, if athlete is trying to get the highest in high jump and trying to get the maximum height, he had or she had to jump by how much degree? 90 degree. That's why the athlete which are trying to attempt the high or maximum height, they have to jump by 90 degree. H maximum is equal to u square upon 2g. So this is formula for height and this is formula for maximum height. Next point, range. We are talking for this range. Okay, range you better know, range is the distance is equal to velocity. What a velocity in range? U cos theta into capital T. Distance is equal to velocity into time. This time is called flying time. So what we get here, r is equal to u cos theta into t, 2u sin theta upon g. Just I got, this is the flying time formula. We will get r is equal to u square, u into u square, 2 sin theta cos theta upon g, 2 sin theta cos theta upon g. 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 2 sin 2 theta. This formula become sin 2 theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. This is a trigonometric formula. We will get r is equal to u square sin 2 theta upon g. This is the important formula. This is the formula for range. Are you getting point? Range, r is equal to velocity into time. Velocity in range, not sin theta but cos theta into flying time. That is, if you solve, you will get r is equal to u square sin 2 theta upon g. If theta is equal to 45 degree, you can see there, theta is equal to 45. 45 to the 90, sin 90 become 1. You will get r is equal to u square upon g only. This is the maximum range. That's why the athlete who are javelin throw, if you are trying to get the maximum range, you have to throw this javelin by how much degree? 45 degree. Or long jump athletes should be jump by 45 degree, then they will get the maximum range. So for maximum height, they have to jump by 90 degree. For maximum range, they have to jump by 45 degree. Are you getting the point? So this is the range formula, r is equal to u square upon g. Last point, resultant velocity. So resultant velocity and direction. So what are resultant velocity? V is equal to u plus at. So what are resultant? Vx is equal to, what are Vx? Vx is given u cos theta, only u cos theta, and it is 0. What are Vy? Vy is equal to, what are value of u sin theta minus gt. Are you getting the point? Minus gt, this is y component, g will work there, in x no g. Okay, so what are formula? V is equal to, you can see, V is equal to under root Vx square plus Vy square. Vx is this is the Vy, you can get the answer. And if you solve again, you will get u. The body is thrown by u. When it will hit the earth, it will hit by same velocity. So if you put these values and the value of t, then you will get again u. Last point. Tan theta direction. Tan theta is equal to Vy upon Vx. What are Vy? Vy is given u sin theta minus gt. U sin theta minus gt upon, what are value of Vx? U cos theta. Very, very important. So if I ask what are value of theta? Theta is equal to tan inverse u sin theta. You better know it could be written as u sin theta could be written as V naught y. This is NCERT additional exercise. V naught y minus gt divided by u cos theta is also written as V naught x. So formula theta is equal to tan inverse V naught y minus gt upon V naught x. It is in the form of u sin theta minus gt upon u cos theta. So this is all about your parabolic. Many points are there. Flying time, height, range, and this is the direction and resultant velocity. So these are the points on which we can discuss the projectile motion, but it is thrown by theta angle. Let's suppose this theta angle is here as like this from vertical. So in the place of theta, you have to put this become 90 minus theta. Many times that question asked. So in the place of theta, you will put 90 minus theta. So sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So everything will get changed. Okay. So this is all about your projectile motion. That's all for today.